So I have the 2020 Jeep Renegade Trailhawk, and I'm gonna test it out on my rough road. So first I'm gonna do this one lap in the front wheel drive mode, and then I'll bring it back and lock it in four-wheel drive. I won't use any of the modes, snow, sand, mud, or rock, because this is more like a rally cross road, which doesn't, those modes don't really fit. Maybe sand a little bit, but I'm not gonna mess with the modes. I'm just gonna lock it in four-wheel drive on the way back. So let's do the first lap in front wheel drive only. So let's get it. Hold up for the tracks because the brush is kind of grown out and this doesn't have any lights. Consider my first lap and turn it around. Before I head off, I'll lock it in four-wheel drive. Alright, four-wheel drive lock. You can see four-wheel drive lock on the dash, and it's lit up down below. Alright, so let's do it in four-wheel drive. It came through in the video, but this has got the little 1 point, I forgot the digit engine, and it can make some little turbo noises. I think it's 1.3. Well, that's the second lap. So the only thing I felt was just normal front wheel drive versus an all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive system. This thing could obviously handle that road. I call it my rough road because it's not a paved road and it's nothing like an off-road trail, but it at least, I hate seeing off-road based trucks like some TRD Pros, some Raptor, anything like, like this, the Trailhawk series of Jeeps. I hate seeing those, oh, they were tested on the road. At least, take them somewhere else. Like, that's, best I can get without going on a trail, and this thing handled it great in front wheel drive, and you know, 4-wheel drive is just even better. So it gets my stamp of approval on that. Check out some more of my rough road videos. I got a playlist online. Check them out. Thanks for watching.